When you're working on a Rush project, you might want to add some new content. Let's take a look at how you can do that. Clicking on an existing project from the home screen will take you to the editing workspace. From here, you can access the Project Assets panel by clicking on the box icon. Now you can see all your existing media and sequences inside this project. Just like in the media browser, the Project Assets panel has sort and filter buttons, so you can view this project's audio, video, or both. If you want to add new shots to this project, you can return to the media browser and select more clips. Simply click on the Add Media button. It's a blue circle with a plus sign. Now you'll see a pop-up that lets you add new media to the project. I'd like to add more video clips, so I'll select the Media button. In the pop-up menu at the top of the screen, you can see Rush has stored a few of the locations where I've recently searched for media. I'll select Media Browser from this list. From here, I can import footage from my local device or from the cloud. But since I plan to bring in more footage again later on, I'd like to show you how I save a favorite media location. On my desktop, I have a folder called Rush Media. I'll navigate to that folder, select it, come back up to the pop-up, and click the star to add this as a favorite. Back in the media browser, inside my Movies folder, I have a folder full of surf footage. Since I plan to download more content to that folder, I'll also save that as a favorite location. Any folder that contains footage you access frequently, you should save as a favorite. Saving favorite media locations makes it faster to access additional footage while you're editing. You can remove a favorite by selecting it and clicking on the star a second time. Finally, I'll bring more footage into this project by clicking on the clips I want to add in the order I'd like them to go into the sequence. Before pressing the Add button, I'll double-check my sequence to see which clip is selected, because once I press Add, these clips will be placed immediately following the selected clip in the timeline. They'll also be imported into the Project Assets panel. I'm not certain I want these clips in this location in my timeline, so I'll press Command-Z or choose Undo from the Edit menu, and those clips will be removed from the sequence. They do still live in the Project Assets panel, so I can make decisions about what I want to do with each individual clip. Selecting Redo from the Edit menu or pressing Shift-Command-Z will bring those clips right back into the sequence. So that's how you can add more clips to a project in Adobe Rush. Remember to save favorite media locations to quickly access your assets, and select clips in the order you want them to be added to your sequence before pressing the blue Add button.